Hi everyone, welcome to another video of mine. Hopefully everyone's having a nice day today. So this is at Melbourne Airport just after midday. For a Friday, so just want to come at a different time. So let's see how it is. I haven't had my lunch yet. So, flight which is coming in is a flight from Gold Coast, and that is a Jetstar Airbus A320 coming in from Gold Coast. Flight took 2 hours and 5 minutes. It is a bit quieter at this time of day. And waiting to take off. Down there is a flight double Link Airways, SAP 340. See on this side you got Cathay Pacific. I think that's VT Airlines on the Singapore one does as well. Let's see. Link Airlines flight is about to depart. That is going to a place called Double, which is in New South Wales. That is in between Melbourne and Sydney, and the flight takes nearly an hour. This airline is Pacific, and that is, let's go check where it's going to. Melbourne, Brisbane, and delivery is, I can't really pronounce it very well. Delivery. I'm really sorry if I mispronounced the word, and please forgive me for that. So that is off to Brisbane. The flight to Brisbane takes approximately 2 hours. There's a Boeing 737. It's about to depart shortly. Looks like another Jetstar flight is about to take off after that. That is going to Sydney. our flight to Sydney is getting ready to depart. That's an Airbus A320 flying from Melbourne, Sydney. After that is a Virgin Australia flight to Brisbane, Boeing 737. Flight is going to Brisbane and this is Virgin Australia Boeing 737 waiting for clearance. I do see quite a number of trucks moving down Operations Road. I believe that works with the one-way will start at some point soon. Just not 100% sure when it's going to start. That's going to be starting. The flight to Brisbane is taking us now. Flight that is going to go to or place with Orange, which is in New South Wales. It's in between Sydney and Melbourne. I think the flight takes nearly an hour, and that is a Saab 340B bus. That's landing now. It's a flight from Brisbane. That's a Virgin Australia Boeing 737. The flight took 2 hours and 7 minutes. It's already a leave a comment as well. Greatly appreciate it. This flight is a reminder when the place called Orange in between Melbourne and Sydney. again, thanks everyone for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Please remember to like and comment and also subscribe if you haven't done so already.